Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a vacuum showdown that will suck you in. Literally. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo Combo Vive plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop, or as I like to call it, the Roomba i5 Plus. And on the right, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s, or simply, the DEEBOT T30s. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a clean sweep. Let's talk about price. The Roomba i5 Plus comes in at a modest $549. You know, just half your rent. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30s is a whopping $999. For that price, it better vacuum, mop, and maybe even cook dinner. If you're budget conscious, the Roomba i5 Plus is clearly the more economical choice. Now, let's talk about suction power. The Roomba i5 Plus is no slouch with its 4-stage cleaning system, but the DEEBOT T30s comes in with an absolutely ridiculous 11,000 pascals suction power. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room. Reviewers have praised the T30s for its powerful suction, making it ideal for homes with lots of pet hair or high traffic areas. Both of these bad boys can empty themselves, but the Roomba i5 Plus can store dirt for up to 60 days. That's 2 whole months of not having to think about vacuuming. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30s has an all-in-one OMNI station that not only empties itself, but also washes and dries its mop with hot water. It's like a spa day for your vacuum. Reviewers appreciate the Roomba i5 Plus for its long dirt storage capacity, while the DEEBOT T30s gets high marks for its advanced self-maintenance features. When it comes to navigation, the Roomba i5 Plus uses Imprint Smart Mapping to learn your home, while the DEEBOT T30s employs TrueDetect 3D 3.0 for obstacle avoidance and True Mapping 2.0 for quick mapping. Basically, the DEEBOT is like the ninja of vacuums, silent, deadly, and won't stub its toe on your furniture. Reviewers have noted that the Roomba i5 Plus has some issues with mapping and scheduling, while the DEEBOT T30s is praised for its efficient room mapping and obstacle avoidance. If you're the type who loves barking orders at your gadgets, the Roomba i5 Plus understands more voice commands than any other 2-in-1. Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, you name it, Roomba listens. The DEEBOT T30s, on the other hand, takes voice commands and even works with Apple Watch and Dynamic Island. It's like having a vacuuming butler at your beck and call. Reviewers find the voice command functionality of both vacuums to be very responsive, but the DEEBOT T30s stands out for its additional integrations. Both vacuums have some unique tricks up their sleeves. The Roomba i5 Plus has dirt detect technology to focus on dirtier areas, while the DEEBOT T30s has true edge adaptive edge mopping for those hard-to-reach corners. It's like having a Roomba with a magnifying glass versus a DEEBOT with a precision scalpel. Reviewers have praised the Roomba i5 Plus for its dirt detect feature, making it great for homes with kids or pets. The DEEBOT T30s is highlighted for its precise edge cleaning capabilities. When it comes to online reviews, the Roomba i5 Plus is appreciated for its convenience and effectiveness, especially in homes with pets. However, some users have reported issues with mapping and software reliability. On the other hand, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s is praised for its powerful suction, efficient navigation, and advanced self-maintenance features, although its large base size is a minor drawback. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're a Roomba i5 Plus fan or DEEBOT T30s enthusiast, both of these vacuums will leave your floors sparkling. If you're on a budget, Roomba i5 Plus is your guy. But if you want the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums, then the DEEBOT T30s is your ticket. As always, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which vacuum you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it clean,